Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to trade on NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your NinjaTrader, and as you can see here, we have the chart and we have the trade panel here. If you can't see this trade panel, go to this icon right here, click on it, and click on Chart Trader. Okay, if you found it like this, click on this icon and click on Chart Trader, as you can see. Now, let's say, for example, you want to buy. So the first thing you have to do is go to order quantity, this one. So from here, you can choose how many contracts you want. Okay, so this is the E-mini ES. If you want to choose micros, you have to choose micros from here, as you can see, micros, and choose MES. Okay, then you have to choose how many micros. Okay, now let's say, for example, I want to buy one contract. So make sure it's here, one, and click on buy.
Order filled.
As you can see here, we bought one contract. If you want to close this position, all you have to do is click on close. As you can
Order
see,
filled.
if you want to sell, click on sell.
Order filled.
Then when you want to close it, click on close. The
Order
same thing.
filled.
Now let's say, for example, you want to buy three contracts, but after a while you want to close only one contract. Okay, I think that you get the idea. So all you have to do is go to order quantity and choose, for example, 3 or 4 or 5. It can be any number you want. We have here 3, as you can see. Click on buy.
Order
We
filled.
bought 3 contracts here. Now let's say, for example, I want to close only one contract or two contracts, the same thing. Go to order quantity and change it to 1, as you can see. Now go to sell market, this one, and click on it.
Order filled.
And as you can see here, we've closed one contract and now we have two contracts. If you want to close another one, click on sell. Make sure here it's one. If you want to close all of them, click on close. Let's close only one,
Order
as
filled.
you can see. Now click on sell again if you want.
Order filled.
Okay? Now let's say, for example, you want to buy or sell on a specific price. Okay? So all you have to do is choose the place where you want to sell, right click, then go to sell limit here. Okay, click on it.
Order.
As you can see here, this is called a limit order. So when the price hit this limit order, it will be fulfilled, and you can change its place if you want, as you can see. Now let's say, for example, you want to do the same with
Order canceled.
buy. Again, buy limit,
Order
and you
submitted.
can choose the place wherever you want. I think that you get the idea. Now let's say, for example, you want to add a stop loss to your position. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go to this ATM strategy here. We have none, click on it, and click on custom. Now we have here order quantity. You can choose how many contracts you want. So for me, I will keep it on one. And now we have here parameter type and we have here text. So this depends on you. Some people choose currency, some people choose percent, price, text, or pips. Okay. So for me, I will choose currency. We have here target and we have here stop loss. So let's say, for example, I will make my stop loss $150 and my profit will be, for example, $300. Okay. If you choose tick here, ticks like this, your stop loss will be 150 ticks and your profit will be 300 ticks. Okay. I think that you get the idea. Now go to save as a template, click on it, and I will save, for example, with this name, stop loss 150 TP 300, and click on save. Because if you didn't save it, you have to do this every time. Okay, so click on OK, and as you can see here, this is our ATM strategy. Now, if we click on buy,
Order
as you
filled.
can see, we have here the stop loss and we have here the take profit. As you can see, you can change them if you want. For example, here or here. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a
Order
like and
filled.
subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.